guys, today I'm going to be doing one of my slime videos today. So, let's get to it. What you want to do is have it in your slime bucket. I keep it in my slime bucket. Y'all should see. And I just play with it. Like, it's really cool to play with. Like, So you just play with it, and then some people, they just smash theirs with their hand like that. And then just do that. My slime is not breakable, so I'll see. It looks breakable, but it's not that breakable. If y'all like clearly have it like this, it'll break. And I don't like it when people play with my slime like that, so yeah. If y'all want to do my morning routine with my slime, I'll do it, because I have a morning routine with bears. My morning routine with my bears is Lost in Love, I think. No, it's Ashley Wilson. Ashley's morning routine. If I do one, so yeah. I don't think I'll do one this week. Nope, can't do one this week because I have places going, so yeah. So can't do one this weekend. No, I can't. I'll do one next weekend. Might. So just look up Ashley's bedtime routine or something I want to look at, and then it won't show me as Ashley's night routine. Morning routine, you can look at Ashley's slime video Ashley's slime routine, because that's what I'm going to call it. My slime routine. And I just like to play with it, so I'm just going to go ahead and end this video real quick. So, goodbye.